YouTube. This is Ben. This is my first channel, first video. I want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking out my channel. Basically, the premise of this video and of this channel is going to be about cars. We're going to be talking about inside, outside, how fast they go. We're going to be talking about what they look like, what they cost, how you clean them, all that. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you think this video is decent, if it's okay. You know, it's my first one, so I definitely got room for improvement. But I thank you. So check it out. Today is a very special video. Today we hit 1,000 subscribers. And I wanted to take the time out to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, watched my videos, left comments, gave the thumbs up. It really means a lot. And it is really nice to see that my channel has brought some value and some entertainment to people over the course of the past year and a half. I must say, when you start a YouTube channel and you know you have to get 1,000 subscribers, that is quite a bit of subscribers, and you feel like it's going to take years upon years to achieve. But we did it in less than a year and a half, and that is faster than the average YouTube channel gets to 1,000 subs. So I thank you for that. Now, I know compared to other larger YouTube channels, 1,000 subs doesn't seem like that much. But to a small YouTuber like myself, 1,000 subscriptions is a monumental accomplishment. And I know that with your continued support, we're gonna reach 10K, 100K, 1 million and beyond. So for 2021, I wanna bring you some more amazing how-to videos. But in addition to that, I wanna start incorporating some more performance mods and aesthetic mods as well to all three cars. Now, they're probably gonna take some time because, you know, it costs money. But like I said, once again, with your support, we're going to invest everything back into the channel and bring you some awesome content. In addition to that, I'm going to start this year some DTC or Drive Talk Car merch. I once again want to say thank you for all of your support. We hit that 1,000, so now we're going all the way up to the top. So until next video, I'm out.